Trigonometry question from NEST 2023 shift 2. The value of sine 2 pi by 23 plus sine 4 pi by 23 up to sine 42 by 23 plus sine 44 by 23 is -1, 0, 1, 2. Such type of questions is pretty common in NEST, and in particular they like to introduce somehow the year in which that particular exam is being conducted. Even in IISc aptitude test, I think there is a problem where they consider 2021 because that was the year in which that exam was held. Okay? Well, that basically means that there exists a variety of problems of similar kind. As far as this problem is concerned, it's pretty simple. Okay? First of all, you have to observe that the multiples of pi by 23 are all even. Okay, quite often if we don't read the problem correctly, then we are likely to just take 2 pi by 23, 3 pi by 23, 4 pi by 23 and 5 pi by 23 and like that. But no, all these multiples of pi by 23 are even. Okay, let's just write down that sequence first. 2, 4, 6, then 42 and 44. So if we divide each one of them by 2, okay, then we will get 1, 2, 3, then 21, then finally 22. So that basically tells us that there are 22 terms. That is, there is an even number of terms. Okay, there is an even number of terms. So it's possible to bring two numbers together to form a pair and no number will be left. Okay, fine. Also observe that if we connect 2 pi by 23 and 44 pi by 23, we decide to connect that, then 44 pi by 23 happens to be 2 pi minus 2 pi by 23, isn't it? Right? So if I take the sign here, okay, if I take the sign of 44 pi by 23, that will be sign of 2 pi minus 23. Okay, so a formula that we study usually in the 11th standard, that sine of 2 pi minus theta is negative sine theta. So that's negative sine 2 pi by 3, also called as allied angle formula, right? Which means sine 2 pi by 23 is going to get rid of sine 44 by 23. Then because 2 plus 44 is 46, 4 plus 42 will also be 46, 6 plus 40 will also be 46. And because it is 2 times 23, effectively when you add all the terms, the addition is going to be 0. So correct option is B.